Hello guys, welcome back to our CATIA V5 lesson. In this tutorial video, I would like to show you how to use the pattern. Okay, but we're going to focus on the circular pattern. Okay, so what is a circular pattern? Means that you're going to have a pattern instead in XY direction. You are going to have it in the circular way. Alright, so how are you going to do it? Alright, pretty simple. Okay, you choose this circular pattern icon, press it, so it will show you the circular pattern definition box. Alright, so there's a parameters you can select, but are we going to focus on the instant angular spacing? Okay, so instances is actually how many copy you want to make. Alright, for example that. Alright, before that we select the reference element. Okay, select the surface. Alright, and the object is okay, so you have to be careful, because if you not select this current solid means that it's going to pattern all. Alright, not the whole here. Alright, so I have to select the whole. Okay, so after that you can see that we'll call it the arrow, we can play around. Okay, right, so you can change whatever you like. So basically it will, since it's in a circle, so this is will be the center of this or the center of the will be the what call it the central line of it. Alright, so if you preview, you can have 8 of it. But the problem is sometimes if you make more, alright, for example 10, you'll not be able to do it. Why? Because it already collide with the others pattern. Alright, so the thing you can do is you can play around with the angular spacing. For example that you want to have 4 pattern. Okay, alright, so I press OK. So you can see there's a 4 only. Oh, alright, so I want to make it align it, okay, which is this every 90 degrees. I can just play around with the angular spacing, which is the distance between of these two hollow. Right, so I make a 90 degrees so that it will equally balance, so it become balanced right now. Okay, let's say that as I show you earlier, if you make too much, okay, for the angular spacing here, you will what call it collide with other. If you want to, let's say that to insert more, okay, like this one, so we can't. So if you want to make more, you can just complete crown. Okay, select the complete crown, and you can ever add whatever you like, hole you like. You can see there. Alright, so another in function is a crown definition, which means that you can select you can have another circular, okay, which is the outside of it. Means that you can add another circular at the here. Alright, so you have to create imaginary circle, which is the crown definition here. So we make 2, this is 1, so we make 2, add 2, and it will increase the numbers. Alright, you can also put a distance between of the circular, which is here. Oh, sorry guys. And preview, and there you goes. So you got the pattern that you intended to do. Alright, so another thing that you have to know is, right, I think this is quite interesting. For example, that if you like to make this pattern, okay, if you make this pattern, it will follow accordingly. Okay, alright, so what does it means? Okay, we're going to have some do the pattern. Alright, I choose the reference element here. The solid should be here. Okay, I will put more. Alright, So if you look at this, is oriented together with the, okay, for if you want to make these things, what call it, for example, that is the orientation already changed here, so it has moved to the left. So if you want to fix it but remain in the circular, what call it, orientation or circular position, so what can you do is just go to the more, okay, expand it, and okay, I don't know, you can see that. So you can see that radial alignment. Okay, if you uncheck it, what happen is it will be as the normal. Okay, it's still in the circular direction, but the orientation will be remain the same with the original one. You press OK. Alright, so this is another features that you should know. Alright, I think that's all for the circular pattern. Hopefully you can understand. I think another thing is you should try it at home. Okay, alright, stay safe, see you later.